Straight down. Keep moving slowly. Stay in line. Watch the horned one.
Path is clear. Keep going slowly. Maintain distance.
Move straight ahead. Keep going. Don't break the line.
Tools are perfect. Everything is running smoothly. Maintain the setup.
They're close to feeding. Keep them steady, one by one. Don't rush.
Go straight down, slow and steady. Don't break the line.
Go straight down, slow and steady. Don't break the line. Secure the boxes. Keep them straight. Don't disturb the line. Keep your eyes on the outer door. Confirm it's secure. No movement until clear. Keep them relaxed. Let them graze slowly. No sudden movement. Hold the line. Let them graze slowly. Keep them calm and maintain the line. Watch the horned one. Hold on, I hear something. Check that side. Hold on, I hear something. Check that side. Hold on, I hear something. Check that side. Gray group first, hold the rest. Keep the line clear, move them slowly. All right, this one is clear. Move the next one forward. Maintain distance, don't rush. This one is moving ahead. Send the next one forward. Keep the line steady. Watch the horned one. Move the gray group first. Only this line. Keep the others back. Watch the horned one. Straight ahead. Keep moving forward. Stay in line. Don't stop.
Gate is opening. Slowly. Keep him steady. Wait for full clearance.
They're near the feed. Guide them gently. Keep the line. No pushing. Wait, where is that sound coming from? Wait, where is that sound coming from? Wait, where is that sound coming from? Watch the outer door. Keep it secured. Don't let anything shift. Maintain position.
Handle the boxes carefully. Place them properly. Keep everything aligned.
Yes, the tools are working perfectly. Readings are stable. Keep it running. Easy. Keep them moving slowly. Watch the big one with the horns. Everyone stay sharp. Ooh, watch the big one with the horns. Maintain the distance, please. Steady pace. All clear ahead. Watch the big one, the one with the horns. Watch the big one, the one with the horns. Got it. Watch the horns. Easy now, nice and slow. Keep the barrier steady. Watch the footing on the left side. Gently. Slowly, one line, keep distance, don't let them come together, eyes on the horned one. Slowly, keep them steady, don't rush, eyes on the horned one. Keep them in line, one by one, don't let them bunch up. Watch the big one with the horns. Everyone stay sharp, watch the big one with the horns. Hold position, close the door, everyone wait.
Door sealed. Maintain position. Wait for next instruction.
All right, send the next group. Hold steady, prepare the ramp. All right, send them in slowly, keep the line ready.
Yes, we're ready. Send the next group. Keep them controlled and in line.
All right, move them forward one by one. Keep the line straight, watch the horned one. Keep them moving slowly, one line only. Don't let them come together. Watch the left door, keep it clear. Now move forward slowly, one by one. Watch the left door, keep it clear. Now move forward slowly, one by one. Focus on the left door, check the lock, don't move them yet, hold position.